Hey, good morning my friends. I thought I'd just show you what I've been working on. So I've been building a lot of Miniart stuff. So I built a Miniart crew there, Russian crew. So they're starting to be painted for my cannon. So cannon number 1 for my Russian display. So I'm just building up a Russian display. And it's all Miniart. So I've got some brass paint for the shells, which is much better than gold. So I wasn't that happy with the gold. See, so the brass is much better. So that looks heaps better. I've done the chipping on the T60. So he's culling this, and they're just taking a position that they've taken off the Germans, and they're just bringing in the heavy guns to consolidate their position. I built this. This took a while. I just got to finish painting the first coat, so I did the bottom of it last night. This is a little Miniart like horse cart. So I'm going to build some horse-drawn divisional artillery. That took a while to build. Pretty cool though, I like it. And I'm starting to build the horses to go with the horse-drawn cart, and it's got a cannon that comes with it. It's called the Miniart Divisional Artillery Pack. You get all these figures, and you get the horse-drawn cart, you get a ZIS-3, and you get a heap of horses and a figure set, which is cool. So the Matilda is pretty much done, so once the scene's set up, we'll put some mud and that on it to match with the scene. So that's all finished. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of stuff. So I also got this this here, if you just want to have a look. So this is the divisional artillery pack you get. That's pretty good value. You get that for about $50. So you can get it on special. It's one of the older Miniart kits. And I also got this to go with it. So sort of gives it a bit more realism that they're taking those guys prisoners and all that. Which is, but I had a look inside, and we can have a look later. It does look really good. The figures look really crisp. So I got this as well. Now this is a really quick and easy to build T70. It's not their good one, but this is a very value pack box, because this is a 2008 one, so it's one of Miniart's older builds, older molds. So what you get just a basic set of instructions. Now, as you can see, you don't get a hell of a lot of stuff in it. Alright, it's very basic. So first of all, they get you to build the cannon. Their basic cannon. ZIS-3, so there's no photo etch, no nothing in here, no decals included. And then you see, you very simply build the turret. Very simple body, very simple base. No interior at all, like the T60 I just built. No photo etch. See, they're just plastic parts there. You can get one with the German one, a set that's slightly more expensive. They do put in the photo etch, but no decals. And then you can get this T70, you know, that's a really good box of it, like the T60. But that's not what I wanted, because this is going to be covered with these guys here. You know, you don't want a full interior in that, and then just to cover it in guys. So it is quite perfect. You know, the T60, those triangle things there were made out of photo etch and all that. So they've really simplified this. So it's very simple, very basic. Now these older molds I found look a little bit horrible at times in the just in the sprues, because there's a lot of cleanup to do. But this is not too bad. It's not too bad. This figure set is really good. Actually, it looks good. It's just straight out of the sprues. You won't have to be cleaning up for ages like I did with this the crew, the Zis 3 crew. So yeah, really crisp little figures to go with it. You know, you get your you get 4 riders, tank riders, and a just one tanker. And then you get, this is basically the tank here, 1 sprue. Just all on the 1 sprue. You get 2 of these, so just the other tank parts. You get 4 of these, so you need 84 tracks on each side. Doesn't say that in the instructions, just letting you know. And then that's the cannon one. So it's a very basic kit. You also get a little bit of clear parts. So very basic kit for 50, but well worth it, because it's very cheap, and you get a lot of different stuff in there. You know, sort of see it as a figure kit with a tank to go with it. But yeah, that's that. So that's just the old Zis 3 and the T70M. The T70M, now with the T70's original, they would have an engine on each side for each track. But the M, because that's very unsynchronized and it didn't work out. So the M is, they've just fixed that up. So they've put the engines in a line and synchronized them. And this kit has been discontinued. So if you do see it, so have a look around in your model shops. If you do see it, just pick it up, because they don't make it anymore. And there's still a few around, so, and they sold very cheaply. So yeah, I'd highly recommend you get one, because Miniart discontinue their stuff, unlike Tamiya. Keep selling it till the end of days. Go away, Elsie. Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you again soon.